Happy Day of the Dead. Happy Dia, Feliz Dia de Muertos. We are walking out to the parade. Our Airbnb is only 1 block out, thankfully. And the streets are already quite packed. The first thing we did is get our face painted right at the corner. Here's the result of that. I thought it came out so cute. And then we went to look for street food because the place was packed with vendors and I wanted to try every single thing that I saw. Like my eyes were jumping all over the place and I was like, what should I try first? So we ended up trying gorditas. Munchkin had these gorditas and I just had a hamburguesa. But then I did have an agua fresca, which was delicious. Here's Munchkin trying to decide what to get on her gordita, which is like a fluffy pancake if you ask me, and then you can get condensed milk or cajeta, which is like caramel sauce, Nutella, strawberry jam, you know, all the fillings, cream cheese, all the fillings or toppings that you would want on your hotcakes or your pancakes. That's kind of what they have here. If you allow her, Munchkin will always opt for something sweet for breakfast, like a pancake, a waffle, you know, anything of that nature. She's in it, and I'm just like, girl. Anyways, I had to look for something more savory, and I decided on just getting a hamburger just to get something really quick in my belly so that we could like walk and see what else the parade had to, or not even a parade, because the parade was supposed to start at 2, but it started in Central. We were, I think, like maybe an hour out. So we had time to kind of take in the festivities, see all of the things that people are selling and all of the ways that people are making money in this very festive atmosphere. I'm about to sweat my face paint off. Child, it's a hot day out here. I'm going to take off the sweater. But, you know what? I am loving the festive atmosphere out here today. I am loving the street food, my belly full. I am loving how close we are to our Airbnb because I'm gonna have a big ass agua fresca right now, and I know that's gonna signal a few bathroom breaks. I'm loving the vibe. Woo, bumper to bumper traffic. Hold on to your purse. One thing that I will say is that even though the crowd was thick, it was not an uncomfortable crowd at all. You know, I was being mindful, of course, of my purse and my phone in my hand, but I didn't feel any kind of danger. Everybody was just out having fun, enjoying the atmosphere. We purchased these little tiny wooden stools to stand on because, as you can see, the crowd was thick. No way I would have seen over everybody's head. So we purchased those crowds, and then soon enough we could hear the drums coming up the street, and it was time for the parade to start. I was so excited. This section stopped and danced just, you know, down a few feet down from us, and so we didn't get to see their routine, which I was so mad about because the drums sounded so litty. I was like, oh my gosh, are we going to miss everything? But thankfully that was not the case, and so this spot, I was wondering if, you know, we picked the wrong spot, but much more excitement to come. So each section had a theme. You could read like the banners because they had a banner at the front of each section to read what the section would be about. You know, I really appreciated a glimpse into each. Some of them were different, representing different cities. Some of them were representing different cultures, different rituals in the different aspects of their culture. Like you had the Mayan Aztecs who came up, and you know, it was really, really interesting to see some of the rituals that were performed and the demonstrations. I really appreciated that. Here's a section coming up. I don't know if you can read their banner. It says Katrinas, and everyone in this section is dressed like the Katrinas, which reminds me, I still have the Katrinas parade, Noche de las Katrinas, from Merida to upload, so look out for that video too, because this whole week was, you know, lots of festivities from Hanal Pishan in Merida to Dia de Muertos here in Mexico City. Katrinas are those paper figures that Mexicans use to decorate their grave sites, kind of celebrating the sadness for lost life, but the joy that they are with, you know, gods in their afterlife. So these are the different Katrinas that you will see. That's a chant we heard often in the parade. I think they were saying Vuelta, which means to turn. So anytime, you know, they hear it, they turn around the big statue so we can all see it. Skateboard. What is he doing on a skateboard?
Nosotros, para los que no nos conozcan, nosotros somos los Miranda. Somos hermanos y vivimos cantándole al amor, al romanticismo y al bolero.
Oye, hermana, pero antes, es tan grave y grave. Por favor, etiquétenos en sus historias, _los Miranda. En Instagram y en Facebook, los Miranda.
_los Miranda oficial. Y también en TikTok. También somos TikTok.
Este es medio metro. Desde el barrio de Tepito, sonido. Richard TV con la...
I would so love to know the significance of bunnies. Like, why are they dressed as bunnies hopping around? It was so interesting, especially after the section of women carrying what seemed like babies in their baskets. The stamina of these bands to walk for 4 hours playing with their equipment is so admirable because the music was bumping.
Really? Was it?
Yeah, that was hilarious. What are you talking about?
No.
Wait, they're going back, they're going back, they're going back. Oh, they dancing on the stage.
There we go, there we go.
See, I can join that part of the...
So this is one of my favorite sections coming up. The music literally sent chills down my spine, especially when those, I think they're clarinets, forgive me if I'm wrong, but when they kicked in, oh my gosh, you have to pay attention to this part. These cyclo taxis, by the way, are a great way to get around town here in Mexico City because the city is packed, the traffic is enough. So this is an affordable way to zoops and get where you want to go really quickly. After the parade, we went back to our Airbnb to kind of, chillax a little bit because foot are earthy at this time. You need to use the bathroom about 3 times. Everything are gone, but belly a rumble again. So we went back out. The vendors were still on the street and we decided to patronize a few of them. Here's some chicken enchiladas that we got, which is a very unique way of preparing it. But they were delicious. Actually, I liked them. They hit the spot. We did kind of side eye her because she never have on no gloves and she ain't got money and everything. But that's a street food go sometime. Next up, we had some chicken tostadas and taquitos. And let me tell you something, the food was delicious and it never cost no money at all. Like, you can eat good buying some street food here in Mexico. That's all, folks. This is a restaurant that was at the corner. We are being serenaded as we wait to cross the street to go home. Let me tell you something. This was a phenomenal experience. I recommend it to anyone who's interested in Mexico and Mexican culture. Any at all, you have to come to Mexico City for Day of the Dead. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel because I'm about to upload all my other Mexico City content. It is quite a change from Merida, so make sure you stay tuned, subscribe, and hit that like button. All right, see you in the next one.